high school spirit. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost. This is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Force One Chenille Swoosh. Now this shoe gets its name because of the obvious fact that this is not a normal Nike swoosh. This is a two-toned Chenille swoosh. Chenille is most often found in varsity jacket patches, and they decided to just slap that on the Nike swoosh and had a two-toned effect to give it kind of like a high school varsity jacket effect. I'm with it. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Air Force One box, so it's the black box with the metallic silver swoosh and logo, and the colorway is white, university red, and blue void. Next, let's take a look at the shoe. This shoe features a white leather upper, and basically the whole shoe is just a white on white Air Force One, except for the swoosh and little minor detailing around the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you have a white leather toe box with the white leather toe cap with the white perforations. Moving towards the tongue, you have the nylon tongue with the flat white laces, and you have a blue void tongue tag with the varsity red Nike Air logo. The insole is blue with the red Nike Air logo. Moving towards the heel, you've got the white panels along with the Chenille swoosh, and it's blue void and varsity red. The heel is mostly white except for the back tab, and this is a suede back tab, and it's blue void with the red Nike Air logo. The medial is the same as the lateral, so you've got the white panels, and these are leather, and you've got the Chenille swoosh in varsity red and blue void. Lastly, you've got the white rubber midsole and the white rubber outsole. Overall, I think it's a decent colorway for the summer especially. I think it's actually pretty dope that they're still trying to do new things with the Air Force One, except when they venture too far out. Like the double swoosh, the swoosh on the toe, that was stupid. I still don't understand why they did that. But this is one of those subtle changes that I like. It's not major enough for people to lose their minds, but it's subtle enough to make it its own special shoe. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
This is Earth Radio, and now here's human music.
One low Chenille pack hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 20th for a retail price of $100. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.